Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. This is Daria from Kaya Academy, and this girl today will give you a great tool for your drawings. Sometimes you think that you're actually good with drawing, but then the other time you'll be like, no, I'm really not good at it. I cannot even draw without a reference. Yes, that's me. For me to draw without a reference, it should be something that I enjoy doing. Now, like, how can I say? It should be something such as like faces. I'm okay with faces. I don't need a reference. But when it comes to bodies, I'm not really good at them. Or let me just say, I prefer using a reference. And this Magicposer, this tool is gonna help you so much. You're gonna come back say, oh, thank you. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be able to draw this. But it's so cool. It's so cool, girls, boys, whoever is down there watching me and wants to use this app. This is an amazing app that you will love. So let's say this is all right. You see? Let's say you want to draw someone who is sitting. All you gotta do is click on sitting. You see? Do you see like how good it is? For example, let's go with this one. It's down on the scene data. You can, I don't open anyways. I don't need the gray sofa. Based on your phone's performance, we have enabled high quality mode. That's good. You see, you can look at your model from anywhere, even from here. You see, wow, someone is flying. So this is an amazing app. That's why I said you can also rotate it, as I just showed you, like this. You see, before, like this. You don't even have to choose it. You can transform it, maybe make it a bit bigger or scale it. Wow, it's a giant now. Go down, go down. Please become small. Okay, a bit, yes, okay. So let's go back. We have the presets like this also to this model. It's posing. Are you handsome or something? No, not really. So you see, you can even see that, but let's go back. We can see the hands more clear, as you can see now. Oops. Okay, so maybe this is all we need, but if it's not really, so this is what we put, right? Maybe we also want to put someone else next to him, right? Someone else, or something such as this, a wall. Okay, the wall should be behind him, and we should actually transform it and scale. Not really. Yes, it should be a big wall like this. Okay. So now let's put something under him, such as architecture. We don't have any of them since I don't want to pay for that, but I can actually go with this, but I cannot get it. I don't know why. Okay, I'm just gonna put it from my hand, from my head. So as you can see, now we can go preview it. You see, this is the way it's going to be. Maybe you're gonna do something like that, like, you know, he's like crashing to the wall. You can export it or you can save it as something you want, but I'm gonna discard changes for now. So you see this cute girl. All of them are 3D models. From here, lying, crawling. We have walking, fighting sports, 2 people. Also, you can search, of course. We have multi-figures, or the ones that are squatting, and the props. So yeah, I think you would like this. I mean, I like it. So this was it. Actually, at least from here you can change the way you want to see them. I don't want to see it like this. So there's also this one. We can create a scene as we put, you see, we can create a scene. We can put it like ooh. Okay, of course it can't happen like this. Well, let's assume it can, right? Okay, and this hand should come down like this. And this hand, this fit. Is it possible anatomically held now? So I'll just do like this. Let's see the toe curl. I don't want it. I don't want any toe curl. So as you can see, it's very simple. From the asset store, whatever. From the asset store, you can also add stuff. So I think this app would help you find things, create your own scene. So you will come back to me thinking, I know. From here, you can actually create them and upload them so the other people can also use it. And here is the asset store. You can find a lot of things. And here is your profile. This is an amazing app for drawers like me. At least it will help me. I need some references all the time. So thank you guys for watching. And there is this question I'd like to ask you. What is the hardest position for you to draw? Or what is the hardest thing for you to draw? Mine was actually like the hips. Not the hips, but you know, this part is becoming like going down as hips, and that thing is always making me like I'm leaving it. So also like genital areas, like, you know, when you're doing something like that's also hard for me a bit. I don't know why. So if you guys like this video, go hit that button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see you guys in next video.